This is Omkar Desai. I am from Satara, Maharashtra. For abroad higher educations, you need to take English language proficiency tests like IELTS and Pearson PT. For that, you need to score for maximum number of universities. You need to score at least 6.5 and above. And as I wish to pursue my future education in abroad locations, I decided to take up this challenge and complete the IELTS test. But as I was not aware of the difficulty level that IELTS possesses, and as well as IELTS is a formal English test, you can say it, and for that you need a proper guidance. And for proper guidance, I was in a search of a better tutor or a better guide who can help me in cracking this exam. That's why I was surfing through the internet, and while surfing, I met with VAC Global Education, and I was not quite sure whether it will be it will turn out right or not, as I am currently staying in Maharashtra. And well, though I took up the VSC Global Education's class during the pandemic, and I was working from home, as well as it was quite difficult time for all of us, and we had to cope up with the situation, and we were not able to move outside. So I guess I talked with Shriti ma'am from VSC Global Education, and she arranged a free demo class for me. So I was a little bit delighted, so that I could try that whether the tutors are good or not, and whether it can help me or not improving myself. So I enrolled for the free demo class. So I had a class with Kunjan ma'am, and when I took the first class, I was more convinced to take up the class and go ahead with the education teaching skills they have. So, and there was another concern with this, like that as a common man, you have a doubt in your mind that whether is it correct, or will the VSC Global Education, it is currently situated in Noida, and I had a doubt that whether aren't they fraud or something like that. But you need not to worry about that. They are 100% genuine person, and they are 100% willing to give their best to yourself, to you, so that you can excel in your academic exams or whatever you are taking. So I took up the class. I scored. Kunjan ma'am made it sure that I am practicing more, as I'm a working person. It was hard to manage work and IELTS studies, but Kunjan ma'am made so flexible timing, and as per my timing she was taking my class and my practices. She was more keen on focusing on my weak points, so that I can improve it, and I will not make these mistakes while taking the exam. So she arranged all the books which are required for IELTS exam, as well as there are certain there are 4 modules in the exam: listening, reading, speaking, and the fourth one is listening, reading, speaking, and writing, fourth one, which is a big task, because there are you need to be precise with what you are writing, and what mistakes you shouldn't do. So in the first demo class, I guess I had made about for more than 35 mistakes in my writing. But Kunjan ma'am made sure that all those mistakes should not happen again and again. So she took it very personally on a personal level. So and improved my writing skills, as well as the my speaking skills were not that fluent, or you can say I was a little bit less confident. So that's why she focused on those two terms, and the listening and reading activities were of more to be done by myself, and she was guiding me with that too, as listening and reading needs more practice and more focus. So she used to give me the tricks to what should be done here and what should not be done here. So that helped me score a 7.0 band in IELTS, out of which listening was I scored 8, reading I scored 7.5. So their overall band was pretty much good. 7.0 score, it's a good score for any academic entries or like that. So other than that, for the abroad educations, they are willing to help you with the visa and all, as well as they are ready to offer you so many chances from the universities in any country you like. For example, Canada. I am currently opting for the Australian universities, and they are giving their 100% and attention regarding may it be regarding the all the document procedure or all the application form filling procedure. They are giving their 100%, and I guess that sums it up. I hope that this review clears all doubts from your mind, and I strongly recommend VSC Global Education for your IELTS exams, as well as your abroad education solutions. So I guess thank you. Have a good day.